Hello, creative friends, and welcome to the Stampin' Squad. Last week, I did an unboxing of my July paper pumpkin kit, and I told you then that I would come back and show you how to make a card. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful card. It's a accordion fun fold. So it's a super fun card for summer. I'm going to show you how to make that today. And if you're not subscribed to the monthly craft kit that is Paper Pumpkin, I hope you'll consider it because it is a fun, fast, easy way to make some gorgeous cards. So I will put the link so you can find out more about Paper Pumpkin below this video. Look in the description and in the comments, and I'll put the links there. All right. Let's make this card. I'm going to show you how to make this card from the July Paper Pumpkin. And you may remember from the unboxing, this is the fun box that I'm looking for every month to arrive in my mailbox, because that means my craft subscription is here. So let's put this one together, and then I've already put together these two, and I will show them to you at the end. So let me open up our instructions here. This is the card we're going to be making. So I am just going to fold this, and it gives step-by-step instruction of how to stamp and then put the pieces together. So let's do that. First, I'm going to stamp, and in the kit, let me turn this around, right side up. In the kit is a Stampin' spot, and this month the color is Daffodil Delight. So I am going to stamp, but I'm going to use my full-size Daffodil Delight stamping pad. The reason is because I like to keep these, because if I am going to go crafting on the go and I want to take some things with me to another location to craft, the Stampin' spots are really great for that. So I tend to tuck those away and keep them for when I'm traveling. All right, you can see here that I've already been working on some of the cards, and so I've already done some stamping, but we're gonna stamp this right here on this banner for this card, and it says, "Sending you an ocean of love." So ink up my stamp, and just gonna line it up there and hold this in place for just a couple of seconds so that the ink transfers to the paper well, and then lift up and sending an ocean of love. Let me hold it up so you can see that. Sending an ocean of love. So I am now just gonna punch this out. I love this about the kits. All the pieces and parts are here. You just punch them out of the paper and they're ready to go on your card. All right, let me grab the instructions again. And here is the card base for this card. So the first thing after we stamp, then we're gonna fold. And this month we have some really fancy folds. It's called an accordion fold. So I'm gonna just work on that here for a moment. This is gonna fold down like this. This is also gonna fold like this. This one is going to fold back. And it already has score lines on here. I don't know if you can see that. So that makes it really easy to fold. And I'm just folding it kind of back and forth here to create that accordion effect. There we are, you see? Can you see that? Now I'm gonna use my bone folder. There are certain tools that I love to have on hand because they do make card making much easier, and bone folder is one of the things that I love. So I'm just making the crease a little crisper so my card holds together a little better. So that's the first step. Now, we need these two pieces to make this card, so I'm just going to punch them out. This really couldn't be any easier. So we've got one. Let me grab this one that has the little sailboat on it. I love the colors this month. And we also need these palm trees. So let's punch those out. Here we go. And there's some little pieces in here that will come out as well. There we go. And one more little piece right here. Let's see if I can punch that through. I'm going to use a tool here because I don't have nice fingernails to be able to let me punch some of these things out and do some of these crafting things. So I like to use tools. All right, let's start with this piece. We're going to put it right here. I'll show you from the side because I know with that fun fold, it's a little bit more difficult to see. So that's going to go right there. So I'm going to take this tear and tape. This is included in the kit. And I'm going to put a couple of strips on here. And that's how we're going to adhere that little die cut. I'm going to grab my metal ruler because I like to use that to tear this again because I don't have real strong fingernails. So that helps me to tear. And let's tear this one off. There we go. Okay, I'm going to make sure that these are pressed down really good. And then I'm going to grab this tool to take this paper backing off. There we go. And this one here. And now I can take this and just slide it down in here. I'm just kind of holding it. I'm going to fold the card closed so I can line this up. And there we go. Press down. Perfect. Okay, so we've done all of these steps at this point. Now we're going to put this little piece with the sailboat in. And so the instructions tell us to put a strip of this tear and tape right on the back, like this. Press it down and then peel off the backing. I love the tear and tape. It's really nice. These kits, they give you adhesive that you can use that is easy to take with you. So there's no liquid glue. It's all tape and glue dots. Now again, let me turn this sideways so you can see. I'm gonna slip this one right down in here. All right, so I'm gonna slip that down in there, line it up, and then press. So let me just lay it down and press. Make sure it's in there. Perfect. So now we're starting to get this really 3D effect of the card, and that is so much fun. All right, just a couple more pieces to go. So now we're gonna put on the palm trees and the sentiment and a little starfish. That's so cute. So this is gonna go here. Again, the instructions just say, put a little bit of this tear and tape on the back of our palm trees here. So I will do that right here. And it also says we should use the tear and tape for the back of our sentiment. So let's do that. There we go. And now we can put these on our card. Palm trees first, right here. And I'm just lining that up right along the bottom edge of the card. And then the sentiment. And it's just going to go right here. Oh, it's not going to go there yet because it didn't take the backing off. Got ahead of myself a little bit there. All right, now it'll be sticky. I was wondering why it was sliding around. Okay, now let's try that again. There we go. All right, and I mentioned a little starfish, and I don't have that out, so let me grab it out of the box. Here we go. Here's some more little cute punch-out images for our card. So this is the starfish. It's just going to go right over here, and these are another type of adhesive that's included in the kit. These are glue dots. So they just peel off the backing that's sticky. And I'm just going to stick it on the back of my starfish. And then you simply peel off the backing on the other side. So now that's sticky. And I can just slip this. I'm going to slip it behind just a little bit. There we go. Adorable starfish. Now the last thing in this kit are these gems. I don't know if you can see them. They're clear and they remind me of sometimes when you look at sand, some of the little grains of sand look like they're clear, and that's kind of what it reminds me of. So let's take some of these and put them on our card as well. Let's put one right here. They're on this little piece of plastic. They have adhesive on the back, so you just stick them right on here. One there, and then I'm going to put one more right here. And let me press those down and make sure they're stuck on there good. And that is our little 3D accordion fun fold. So I'll show you again from the side, like this, but it will sit up. Super cute. And, oh, I almost forgot the other thing I wanted to show you is, let me see if I can find where I put them. Hold, please. Here we go. Okay. The kits also come with matching envelopes. So isn't this adorable with all those stripes? That's so cute. And then on the inside of the flap, the blue of the ocean. So I can't wait to send these cards to friends. I think they're so adorable. So that's one. Let me show you the other two that I put together. This one that says, relax, you deserve it. I love this little Adirondack chair and the little flip-flops in there. So cute. And the last one has got the surfboards and the little crab that's actually holding the sentiment. That's so fun. Waving hello. So those are the 3 types of cards that were in this month's kit. And the kit has everything that you need to make 3 of each of these cards. So 9 cards, everything that you need in the kit, the adhesive, the ink, the stamps, everything. So if you're not already a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, I hope you'll think about subscribing. It's really fun. It's really convenient. And the other thing, Paper Pumpkin also makes a great gift if you know someone else who's crafty. All right, until next month, August, I'll be back with that Paper Pumpkin and we will put something from that kit together. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.